Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 5th to 9th January 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.31% positive move, 4332.05 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart you can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a small upper wick. Currently if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 3638 level, which is indicating as a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, already important support zones and resistance zones are marked, so we don't need to mark any new levels for this week. Previous week analysis or the markings will help us to analyze for coming week. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 4332.05 is the closing. Here the direct support is 4323 and direct resistance is 4352. After direct support, there is a support of 4300 and then 4275. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4380 and then 4400. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from the prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my expectation in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 4352 to 4380. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. If you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 4323 gets breached and a 1 day or a 4 hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 4300. If this also gets breached, then you can go for a level till 4275. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range. For this week, I'm expecting a closing for this week in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.